Hi students, welcome back. Now let's continue with the chapter Lines and Angles. We are doing part 3 for class 7. Let's continue with exercise 17a. Before that children, in our part 2, you understood what are supplementary angles, what are complementary angles, right? And we worked out sums based on complementary and supplementary. Now, we further continue with the similar kinds of sums, word problems. Let's see what they are. So, let's read question 14. Children, please keep your textbooks with you. Now, let's read the sum together. 25% of an angle is the complement of 50 degrees. Find the angle. First thing, you know what are complementary angles. When I say they are complement of each other, you know the sum, one angle plus another angle together gives you 90 degrees. What does it say here? Let's see. 25% of an angle. That means you do not know the angle. So let your angle be equal to x degree. Now let's read it again. 25% of means what children? Of means multiply, correct? So 25% of an angle means 25% of x, correct? Is the complement of 50 means plus 50 degrees is equal to, it is a complementary angle. That means this is going to be 90 degrees, correct? Now let's proceed. 25% means what? 25 upon 100 into x. So we write it as 25x upon 100 or 25 upon 100 x plus 50 is equal to 90 degrees, correct? So 25 upon 100x is equal to 90 plus 50 children. When we take that side, it's going to be minus 50 degrees, correct? Since I don't have space children, let me use up this space. Alright, now I have 25 upon 100x is equal to 90 minus 50 will give you 40 degrees, correct? 9 remove 5, 4. So 90 minus 50 gives you 40. Now you know 25x is equal to 40 upon 100 children. When I take it that side, it will become multiplied by 100. So x is equal to 40 into 100 upon 25. Correct? So when I reduce, what do I get children? 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are 100. So x is equal to 160 degrees. So what is the angle that you want to know? The angle is 160 degrees. I hope you have understood this. Question 15 is similar. Only thing is there you are going to put it as supplementary. So the sum is going to be 180 degrees. So let's move on to the next sum. Question 16, let's read it. An angle is double its complement. Find the angle. Now, you know something plus something. These are complementary angles which is equal to 90 degrees. They say an angle is double its complement. Means if one angle is x degrees, then the other angle is double. So that's going to be 2x degrees, which is equal to 90 degrees. So I have 1x plus 2x is equal to 90 degrees. So 3x is equal to 90 degrees. X is equal to 90 upon 3. So that is going to be 30 degrees, correct? If x is 30, then the other one is 2x. So that will be 2 into 30, that is 60 degrees. So what are you going to write? If your one angle is 30 degrees, then the complement angle will be 60 degrees, or you can say the other angle is 60 degrees. I hope you have understood, children. Let's move on to the next question. 17 sum. The measure of an angle is 20 more than its complement. Find the measure of an angle. So if one angle is x degrees, the other angle is what, children? Can you tell me? 20 more means x plus 20 degrees. Correct? So let's find the angle. So you know it is complement. So x plus 20 is equal to 90 degrees. Correct? So 1x plus 1x gives me 2x, which is equal to 90 plus becomes minus 20. So x is equal to 90 minus 20 will give you 70 upon 2. That is 2 3s are 6, 1. So remainder is 1 here, 2 5s are 10. So you get x as 35 degrees. So if one angle of yours is 35 degrees, its complement is 35 plus 20, that is 55 degrees. Correct, children? Have you followed? Let's move on to the next sum. Children, let's read question 18. The measure of an angle is 30 less. Less means you're going to subtract. Yes. The measure of an angle is 30 less than its supplement. When you say supplement, it means the sum of the measure is 180 degrees. Find the measure of the angle. So that means the one angle of yours is x degrees. Then the other angle is x minus 30 degrees. Correct? So let's do it here. X plus x minus 30 is equal to 180 degrees. 1x plus 1x, children, you get it as 2x, which is equal to 180. Minus 30, when you take that side, you will get it as plus 30 degrees. X is equal to, children, 180 plus 30 will give you how much? 210 degrees, correct? 210 upon 2x, so I bring it here as 2. Now children, when I reduce, please be careful. 2 1s are 2, 0, then you will take it as 2 5s are 10. So I get it as 105 degrees. My x is equal to 105. And how do I find the other angle? You know x is equal to 105 minus 30. 5, when I borrow, I get it as 75 degrees. So the other angle is 75. The supplement of the angle is 105. So the two angles are 105 and 75 degrees. I hope I am clear with this. Let's move on to the next question. Children, let's read question 19. Find the angle which is 2/3 of its complement. So if one angle of yours is equal to x, the other angle is 2/3 of x. You need to find out this angle. But to find this, I need to know this. And this is a complementary angle. So you know x plus 2 upon 3x is equal to 90 degrees. Let's find the common denominator. That will be 3. 1 goes 3 times. So 3x plus 3 will go 1 time. So I get 2x, which is equal to 90 degrees. Correct? You already know your linear equations. So 3 plus 2 is 5x upon 3 is equal to 90 degrees. 5x is equal to 90 multiplied by 3. X is equal to 90 into 3 upon 5. So children, when I reduce this, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 8s are 14. X is equal to 8 3s are 24, 3 by 4, 5, 54 degrees. Correct? So, my x is 54 degrees. Correct? After you have solved, you get it as 54. So, what is the angle you need to find? 2/3 of 54 means 2 upon 3 into 54. So, when I reduce, what do I get, children? 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3, 4, 5. 3 8s are 24. 18 2s are 36 degrees. So, your required complementary angle is 36 degrees. Children, I hope you have understood. Now, question 20 is similar. Find an angle which is 1/5 of its supplement. So, I am not going to do this. It's going to be the same. Angle will be x degrees. The other angle will be 1 upon 5x because 1/5 of x. Same way you will add x plus 1 upon 5x. Now here it is supplement. So it's going to be equal to 180 degrees. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubts, children, you can always come back to me. Now let's do the last question of this exercise. The last question I need, children. Let's do the last question in this exercise, question 21. Alright children, this is the last sum of this exercise 17a. Let's read it. Find an angle. So let your angle be equal to x, correct? And then let's see what is the other angle. Now they are saying find an angle which is 5 more. So you have the other angle which is 5 more than 4 times its supplement, which is 4 times more. Correct? So let your angle be x degrees. Then the other angle is equal to 4x plus 5, which is 5 more. So plus 5 than 4 times 4 into x. Then that's supplement. Correct? So let's find the angles. So I know x plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 180 degrees. So 1x plus 4x is equal to 5x. That will give me 180 minus 5 degrees. X is equal to 175 upon 5. Correct? So what do I get? 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. 2 as my remainder. 5 5s are 25. So I get this as 35. So if this angle is 35 degrees, I need to find the other angle. So how do we find out, children? It is 4x. So it is 35 multiplied by 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. 140 plus 5. So that will give me 145 degrees. I hope you have understood, children. With this, we finished with exercise 17a. If you have any doubts, you can always clear it with me. For now, this is it. Please see that you complete your entire exercise. Bye for now.